Come on, Alip. Help cleaning now.
Okay.
Oh my God. Yan, kagabi guys. Bago yan eh. Nakabox yan. Kaso yung aking asawa napakakulit. Gustong buksan agad kahit bumabagyo ng alikabok. Ayan ngayon. Ang dumi-dumi tuloy. Hi, Kito. Hi, Kito. Sus. Gusto niya lang makita yung Ayan, oh, yung mga parts ng, how do you call this, Daddy? Panglatag tuloy. I-assemble niya yan. Daddy, what do you call that? Barbecue what?
Smoker.
Barbecue smoker.
Mommy here.
Ayan siya, guys.
Mommy here.
Eva?
Right here you go. Help you.
It's fine. Just put there. Mag-uumpisa na naman kami sa aming barbecue every weekend. Everest. My Everest. Our mommy Everest. And this is the daughter. Kito.
I mean some vegetable oil?
For what?
For this one. We need to rub the inside with the vegetable oil for protection from rust.
So that's gonna be like most of the time we have to do it, not only once.
Come on, can you go please?
And I think we need to buy the things that we can cover this one after
Yeah, sure.
using it, because of the dust. We don't know the weather every time.
Help us.
Hello, Daddy is asking me something and you also asking me something.
Well, can you at least help us?
I'm going to clean up here also inside a leaf. We have the olive oil here. Why you have to go in the shop? Usawa ko na to eh. Ano na naman yung...
Mommy, Daddy said vegetable oil.
No, he said olive oil because that grilled smoking thing is vegetarian. That's why he needs the vegetable oil. Yeah?
Mom, Daddy, look.
This smoking is vegetarian. That's why we are gonna use olive oil for this one.
Come on.
Smoking grill.
Ready?
Just to lock. So it will not moving or what.
Ready? Okay.
Sana lang talaga guys hindi ito kalawangin kasi yung
Who was it then? It wasn't broken when I had it. It was you.
What's up?
Ali broke this one already.
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't broken when I took it out of the package.
why it's broken?
Ask Ali.
It wasn't me.
You turned that inside.
It wasn't me.
Ay, this lady.
It wasn't me.
Ay. Tingnan nyo guys. Pinakialaman ni Alip. Ngayon, ayan, basag na siya. Kulit talaga tong
So
batang to.
this is my dumbbell. It makes a really good one. So here is how I do.
Count.
1, 2,
Okay, give it to Daddy. Daddy will
20.
attach it. Come on.
You guys look at me. Mommy, do
Wait.
on me.
What? What are you doing? Yeah, you feel you have muscles already? Yeah? Careful, careful with your feet.
Give me that one, Leaf.
See? Your dumbbell will be attached in here.
I want a dumbbell.
It will be attached on this one. Your dumbbell, Alif.
Mommy,
What?
do you know what I can do? I can carry my own scooter.
My goodness. Hi, this is gonna be Tyree Saturday.
Mommy, look.
Saturday.
Mommy, look at my muscles.
Alif, remove the clothing, Alif.
Why?
I don't know why you are using double clothing. It's already hot. Not
Anyway,
cold
Mommy,
anymore.
look at my muscle.
You're right. Maybe your mom has muscle that one.
You guys want to see another trick?
Another trick. What?
I can make that thing.
You damaged one item, Alif, today. Uy, uy, uy. Not here, Alif.
I want to shut the camera off.
Really, you hit me by the one. Makulit.
You guys, here's how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, this is gonna be dangerous.
How come?
This is really gonna be dangerous. You might burn yourself. Cool, I
Smelling
never
gas.
seen that light like that. Whoa. Oh my god, it's melting the place.